Hello everyone, and welcome once again to another exciting video. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way, whenever I post another video like this, you'll be among the first to get notified. Now, we've already made the first video showing you how to register on TeQoin. In this video, I'll be showing you how to perform transactions on the TeQoin Testnet so you can potentially increase your activity and qualify for more rewards when the token generation event, or TGE, takes place. So let's get straight into it. First, visit the TeQoin airdrop page and enter your password, then click on Unlock. The next thing you need to do is click on airdrop to check if there are any tasks available for you to complete. If you see any tasks, simply scroll down and complete all the required tasks and come back to your wallet. Now, take note of something important. After completing your registration, you may need to wait at least 24 hours before testnet tokens are sent to your wallet. Once you receive your testnet tokens, you'll be able to use them to perform transactions on the platform. As you can see on my screen, I received 25 USDT, 25 USDC, 25 TAI, and 25 Ethereum and testnet tokens. Once you receive your testnet tokens, you can start performing different activities, such as sending tokens to other addresses and using the bridge feature. After clicking on bridge, you'll be able to select the network you want to bridge from and the network you want to bridge to. For example, you can bridge from the TeQoin Testnet to the Ethereum Testnet. For this demonstration, I'm going to select USDT. I'll enter the amount I want to bridge. In this case, I'll enter $10. Then I'll click on Continue. Next, I'll approve the transaction and wait for the confirmation. As you can see, the bridging process has been successfully confirmed. I'll click on Done. Now, if I go back to the home screen, you'll notice that the amount has been deducted from my balance. You can also perform another bridging transaction. For example, you can bridge USDC or another supported token. Let me try USDC. I'll enter $3, then click on Continue and approve the transaction. I'll wait for a few moments, and as you can see, the transaction has been successfully confirmed. Now, let's go back to the home screen. If you want to send tokens to another wallet address, simply click on Send. I already have an address prepared, so I'll paste the wallet address here. If you don't have an address to send to, check the description of this video. I'll provide an address there for you to use. You can also join our official Telegram channel through the link in the description, where you may find additional information and updates. Once you have a wallet address, you can send some of your testnet tokens to it. You can send USDT, USDC, or any other supported testnet token available in your wallet. For this demonstration, I'm going to send $5 worth of USDC to the wallet address. I'll click on Continue, then confirm the transaction, and as you can see, the $5 testnet USDC has been successfully sent. So check the video description, copy the wallet address provided there, and send some testnet USDC or USDT to the address. You can also join our Telegram channel to get the address and other updates. Now, one important thing to remember is that the more eligible activity you perform on the testnet, the more activity you record on the platform. However, this does not guarantee that you'll receive more tokens at TGE because the final reward criteria will depend on the TeQoin team's official rules. So make sure you participate responsibly, complete the available tasks, and perform legitimate testnet transactions. You may also receive testnet tokens back from other addresses if they send tokens to your wallet. So make sure you take this testnet campaign seriously and stay updated for any announcements from the TeQoin team. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you in the next one.